Hey everyone, Tony from TN3D Studio. Today we are reviewing the new features in Enscape 2.8. It's been a pretty exciting week for Enscape with the release of version 2.8, and in this new update we get to see the expanded assets library, some new features and materials, and some animation upgrades. So let's get into it and see exactly what's new. If you're new to the channel and into architectural visualization, be sure to click that subscribe button and enable bell notifications so you don't miss out on new uploads. If you work in a team environment, participate in design meetings, and happen to share your models with clients and coworkers, you're going to like the Collaborate feature. This is a great communication tool for design professionals and 3D artists, allowing both to document issues in the models and make editorial notes for proactive design updates. With your Enscape activated, you can go ahead and press the C keyboard shortcut to launch collaborative annotations, and as you can see, it's a very simple and intuitive tab to use. You can follow any of these links, or you can simply right-click on your Enscape viewport to create a new issue. After creating your first issue, you have options to select the state of the task, whether it's complete or in progress, fill in the details and specific comments, and tag it to a specific surface or component in your preview render. As you go through the model, you'll be able to refer back to these issues to make specific updates or set the issue as a complete task. With this feature, teams are able to work seamlessly through design solutions and be a bit more proactive when it comes to working with clients. The Enscape Assets Library has been a huge addition to the plugin, and has been expanding in category and quality with every update. Version 2.8 offers over 400 new assets, taking the total number to over 1900 free, ready-to-use assets. You have a wide selection between vegetation, furniture, accessories, and lighting equipment. Specifically, they've added a new healthcare assets collection for any institutional projects you may be working on. So you'll have ready-to-use equipment, curtain separators, doctors and nurses all ready to drag and drop into your scene. This is definitely a plus to see assets that are specific to project types, and I'm definitely looking forward to new collections in future release. One of my favorite updates is definitely the animation features on the grass, trees, and the water movement. In recent updates, I've seen a great improvement in lighting reflections and how indirect lighting is treated, so it's great to see features that add more natural movement and look and feel to your animations. If you head over to the atmosphere settings, you'll be able to find the new global parameters to adjust the wind intensity and the wind direction. Simply adjust the slider of the wind intensity and you'll be able to see the effect that it has on the movement of the trees, the grass, and the water. Specifically for the water materials, you can control the movement independently from the global settings you set before. So if you check your water materials, you'll be able to find the parameters to override the wind settings for the water material. This is great for breaking repetition movements that can sometimes make your animation seem a bit unnatural. One thing I always loved about Enscape is how easy you can activate material presets with the use of keywords. And adding to the existing keywords, you can now create carpet materials by using short carpet and long carpet keywords. And additionally, head over to your material editor and you can adjust the carpet height and height variations for a more unique look. If English is a barrier to you and you have difficulty learning it as a main language, you'll be happy to know that Enscape is now translated into a total of 6 different languages. If you head over to the preference settings, you can now select between German, English, Spanish, French, Italian, and Brazilian Portuguese. Enscape 3D is by far one of my favorite plugins when it comes to producing fast 3D renderings and animation. I'm happy to see them expand in their assets library, animation features, new materials, and languages that were introduced in version 2.8. If you want to stay up to date with future releases, make sure to visit enscape3d.com and sign up to their forum community. Thank you for watching if you've reached this point. Thank you for the comments. And to everyone that has subscribed and clicked the bell notification, I appreciate each and every one of you. Be sure to follow us on social media on Instagram and on Facebook, and I'll see you guys next time.